Okay guys, well we're back at it today. You saw last video we took all the sheetrock off from the inside of the wall. Today we have to get all this trim from the outside of the wall, a couple of shingles from around it. We're going to pull all these lights down as well. We got to move the bench out so we can access the windows, so we can get all of this out so we can frame this and put our new windows in. So let's get to it, guys. Okay guys, now that we got everything cleaned up behind here, I didn't know how dirty it was. We have to take off this trim here, and this piece here, that piece up there, so that the window, when we cut it free, it actually can pull away and out of the wall. So let's go ahead and remove that. There's no easy way, just a hammer and a pry bar, and just start knocking it all off. So let's get to it, guys. Guys, well, we have these side pieces off, which you can now see. I don't know if you can see into the house. Yeah, you can see that's the gap that the window sits in with the wood frame and everything. Well, we're going to take this one off. So we're going to take this one off up here, but it appears that it's that big. So probably a 1x4, and so these here have to come off, so the lights have to come down, and this trim piece up here has to come off so that we can get these off, so we can get this off, so we can get the window out. So it's like a layering process. So let's pull all the lights down real quick and start getting all this stuff off. Trim piece, which if we can save, would be a great time saver. Guys, time to take off the rest of these shingles up top. So guys, cool little thing about these, what these are called hurricane windows. So the thing with the hurricane windows was if there was a hurricane coming and, you know, high pressure wind and everything, you would open these windows as such, and then you would have another set on the back side of the house, which I used to have. And you'd open it, and the air from the hurricane would go in and out of your house, and what that supposedly was supposed to prevent was the roof from popping off. So basically, air pushing in, lifting up, and it would lift the roof off the house, and it'd be gone. So this was supposed to relieve pressure in the house and allow the wind to go in and out for a hurricane. You know, but the amount of hurricanes that actually hit, not that many except for the last one, but it wasn't pressure that we were worried about in wind, it was water. But these doubled as during the summertime, you would vent this and be able to turn your central fan. In these houses, they used to have a central fan over the attic stair, basically. And when you turn it on, it would suck all the air out of the house and up and out. So you would open these to allow more air to come in and cool you during the summer, since a lot of these houses did not have central air and heat, which they still don't. But what I'm doing right now is I'm going to be taking these slats off. They're really cool, thick glass. You know, just didn't think they should go to the junkyard. Might make some cool shelving idea or something for the house when we get it all finished. But a cool idea. I just didn't want to throw them in the trash, and I think it's gonna make the window easier to take out as well. And we also got to get to these screws here to take loosen the window up. So let's get taking these off. So now that all the glass is out of these hurricane windows, you can see that the mechanism in this arm, we'll just bend this out of the way and break it. Throw it down there, we don't need it. Now we can access these screws, which hold the window actually in the wall. Once we remove these, this window should be almost loose and ready to come out. But we have those up top too. We have a few other ones to take out, but let's get these off and get this window ready to take out. So guys, the next step is framing in the windows. These are our new windows, you know, double insulated, low E windows. There'll be one right here, one right here. So what my dad is doing now is cutting in part of the framing so we can get these windows locked into place. So we have one window in, guys. You know, we framed it in. I'll show you from the back side how it's framed in. 1x4, 2x4. You can see how off this wall is. This is level. This is our spacer. These will be shimmed. We have a nice little platform down there. We have our space in between, and then our second window will go in there. This, guys, is going to be wall space because this wall here is moving to this location. So my garage is going to get bigger by that much, which is 24 inches. So that that's gonna be after we get this wall complete and these windows in. But as you can see, guys, it's looking a lot better. Looking really good. We're gonna frame in the second window, level the first one, make sure it's all level, frame in the second one, and we'll start drying this thing in. Well, we have both windows placed. You see the second window, we haven't built our little platform yet for it, but we're just mocking it up. But this is what it looks like from the outside. This is all gonna be hardy board like this all the way, but we're gonna get the windows in and get this framed up first before we run to Lowe's, which is right around the corner, and grab some hardy board. All this is gonna be insulated from the back side, so that'll be nice. You know, keep some of this heat in the house, or AC in the house. This 2x4 that you see right here, guys, this is gonna be the new garage wall. So you can see how far I'm coming in. So that means all that shelf all the way down is gonna be garage stuff, which is gonna be really awesome. So gonna really open the garage, hopefully give me a lot more space out there. But that's last on the list because I'm gonna spend the most time in the garage. But as you can see, guys, we're getting it going. So we're gonna finish up these windows, finish up the bottom, get that all framed in and stuff, and then we're gonna go get some hardy board so we can finish the outside. Hardy board. The from Marissa. But we're getting it there. The windows are in. Concrete board's going on. And we should be pretty close once we get rolling here. Now that we have the window framed in, now the rest of the pieces that go up on the sides can go up pretty quickly, and we can get this front done. Well, guys, we have all of the hardy board up to the top of the windows, which covers all the hole on the inside from the other window. Our new windows are in, they're framed in, they're done. Everything looks really good. That's probably it for this video because we are done for the night. We're gonna come back tomorrow, finish that, finish the side of the one little side of the garage, and then we can insulate this, move our plugs, do everything that we need to do on that side of things. So that's kind of where we are right now. Our next after that is tackle this, and then we can start actually putting some sheetrock back in here. Oh, the other thing here on this wall, we are going to build, and I'll do a video for that, build a barn door on a slider here for this French door here. But that's gonna be a pretty cool video. I'll do a sole video on that, on how to build a barn door and where to get everything and what you really need. So thanks for watching this episode, guys. Today is done. Long day, full day, 12 hours. See you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment.